Hola, mi nombre es María. Yo he estado haciendo mis extensiones, usando extensiones por muchos años y ha sido muy difícil para mí porque sabes que nosotros las latinas tenemos diferentes tipos de cabello y bueno, he intentado todo tipo de extensiones, de tape, de cualquier manera. Entonces, las que me han funcionado por muchos años han sido las cosidas, que llaman sewing extensions, y eso es un método donde te hacen trenzas bien pequeñas y después cosen lo que llaman el track del pelo. Pero bueno, eso es es un problema en a veces conseguir la persona que sepa hacer la técnica bien, donde se te vea tu pelo natural, y también buscar una buena calidad de cabello. Los negocios cerraron, entonces donde yo usualmente conseguía mi cabello no lo pude conseguir más, así que compré, invertí mucho dinero en un pelo que supuestamente era natural, en una persona que pensé que podía confiar, y realmente, o sea, miren la calidad de este cabello, es un desastre. Y bueno, imagínate, o sea, uno invierte ese dinero y no se quiere ver bien. Entonces es tirar el dinero por la basura porque vas a tener que invertir de nuevo en otro cabello, de otra instalación. Entonces tuve la grandísima suerte de conocer a Tl'Zani, que ella me introdujo a un nuevo método de extensiones que se llama microlinks, y es donde el pelo se instala de pedacito a pedacito, y tienes muchísima versatilidad porque te puedes poner el cabello hacia arriba, te puedes ponerlo de un lado, del otro, y es mucho más sano para tu propio cabello, para el crecimiento de tu cabello natural. Así que vamos a empezar a ver cómo ella instala esta técnica. So yeah, look at this hair. So I was lucky enough to meet Dasani, and she told me about this new technique of microlinks extensions that we're gonna try out today. And it looks like it will be a perfect fit for me, not only because it would allow you to have more versatility with your hair, where you can pull it up, you can wear it down to the side and to the other side, but it's just much better for your hair, and you're not gonna have, like, little bald spots from the pressure and the tension of the braids. So I'm looking forward to this. She's wonderful. I trust her completely. The hair looks amazing. So let's get to it.
I'll put it past her. Just talk to your boss. Okay. Hey, girl. What's up? What you doing? Hey. How are you? I'm sorry. For what? What are you doing now? Girl, I just wanted to take you to lunch. Stop. What did I do? Nothing.
So look at the end result. Like, what a difference compared to that, I don't know, thing that I had before. And
I'm really sorry.
check this out.
It's nothing to be sorry for. It's just me.
Up.
It'll come home more, alright?
Okay.
Just like your real hair. Tl'Zani design hair. Tl'Zani design hair. Vice President of Giving Back Matters. I just wanted to thank you all for your donations. We have received some items from our Amazon wish list that we're going to be delivering, along with food, sandwiches, and clothes, and other donations we received to all the homeless people in downtown Miami on April 12th. We're going to be there handing out all your donations. We're so happy and thankful for everything you've done. It's so nice to feel that every time we go now is going to be with more and more items, and that's thanks to you. Thank you. We love you.